Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton. Okay, and today we're gonna do a semi unboxing. I'm gonna introduce to you a product in which I bought. Okay, and you can too. So let's do this. All right. Now I do have my notes, and I do have my coffee. All right, now I'll give you a second to get your drink ready. Maybe some chips and go along with this ride of me doing a semi unboxing here. Now, this product is from, that's right, Boost Mobile. You got it? Yep, Boost Mobile. This product is from Boost Mobile. Now, if you are part of the ACP program, Affordable Connectivity Program, and I did a video on that, and you can go and check that video out on how to actually apply for it uh, and get low cost and sometimes free broadband for your home, okay, or wherever you may be living. And it's in my playlist under title Free and Low Cost Items. Okay, it's one of my most popular playlists that I have up there. Okay, now this is called, this device is a mobile modem. Okay, and I applied for the ACP program and I was approved. And it's super easy to do. So let's talk about this device. Here it is. Okay, that's right. You see it? Yeah, there you go. And this particular device is called the LinkZone 2. All right. Apparently, there must have been a LinkZone 1. Okay, let's open this up real quick and see what we got inside. What we have here, this is so cool. Look how clean and slick that is. All right. Can't show you the back. Can? Oh yeah, I can. Okay. See that right there? See the back? Oh yeah. And you see the front? See the side right there? Yep. And the back basically shows you how to put in a SIM card, a battery, or anything like that that you need to put into this to get it working. All right. Now, that's one thing that's in this box. Okay. That's one thing that's in this box. And we have the SIM card, but it looked like they already put it in there, which is kind of cool for you. So they already took that. You get the how-to manual, quick and easy. You get the battery. Yes, it comes with a battery. It is mobile. You get a charging card. Okay, and this is just a regular universal charging card that most likely any charging card most likely would fit with this. Okay, let me open this up real quick. You see that? And the power bank that you plug into the wall. Now, put this down here real quick. All right, now let's talk about this. All right, basically what this is a 4G LTE hotspot. That's right, it's a 4G LTE hotspot, and it's mobile. What that means is that you can use it at your house. You can take it with you. That's right, you can take it with you. Um, And that is a flexibility that's almost priceless in some cases. Now, it can connect up to 16 devices. Okay, and hotspot basically, if you don't know what that means that it gives you wireless access. Okay, it produces a wireless access in your area in which you could connect your devices to. You know, your laptop, your tablet, your phone, etc. Okay. Now, like I said, it's portable, easy to set up. All right. Now it has a battery, as you saw, and a power bank. Okay, and it also has a cord charging cable. All right. Now here's the deal: when you sign up with, I tell you all the good and the bad. Okay, when you sign up with Boost Mobile, okay, uh, they don't do no credit check and nothing like that. Okay, you get with this program, you get 10 gigs uh, of Wi-Fi a month. Okay, every month for a whole year. So you every month it just renews itself automatically. You get another 10 gigs. Okay, now I would not use this for like work at home. Okay, I would use this to surf the internet on any of your devices. Um, as a backup. I would use something like this as a backup. Okay, and I'll explain that later. But also, I would use this also. Uh, so, like, if you ever run out of data or something like that, or or you run out of Wi-Fi on your phone, you could use that as a backup. Okay. Now, you can also, like I said, you can take it with you, and you get 10 gigs a month. But the initial payment, you're going to be paying for this. This is like a modem, a mini modem, okay? You're going to be paying for this. So, this initially, when you first sign up for it, will cost you $45. That's it. It'll cost you $45. After that, you don't pay anything, and every month you get 10 gigs of free Wi-Fi. All right. So that is pretty good. That and you can do a lot of light surfing. Check your emails. Send out resumes. Do things such as that. Watch YouTube, a couple Netflix. Some Netflix, whatever you like to do. You know, Rap on Facebook. You get the idea. It gives you 10 gigs of Wi-Fi. The reason I say I would not use it is a work at home hub because after 10 gigs, you're gonna wait again next month, the following month. But this is an example of some of the things that you can get with your ACP, your Affordable Connectivity Program. Okay, and now the other ACP is similar to EBB, Emergency Broadband. Okay, it's similar to that. So if you have emergency broadband, great. If you don't, get yourself some ACP. This is an example of what you can get. Now, let's say you're not happy with this. You need more. Things change in your life. You need more than just 10 gigs every month. Okay, or you're not happy with the connectivity that you're getting, then you can sign up with another program, such as Verizon. Okay, you can sign up for Verizon. You can sign up for Xfinity or whatever type of internet company that's in your area. Okay, and majority of internet company, big or small, do accept EBB, which is Emergency Broadband Program, and or the ACP, Affordable Connectivity Program. Okay, most of them do, whether they're big or small. All right, you just have to call and rap to them. And but for this particular item, for after the $45, it's 10 gigs every month for a whole year. Now, as I was saying, if you don't like it, you're not satisfied, you can sign on with a different program, and that should automatically cancel this program and start you on that program. Okay? Now, if you do sign up for another program, you go ahead and sign up for that other program, and then you'll call this program and cancel it. So, if your needs increase, you can go, like I did check with Verizon. Okay? And Verizon will give you on demand, always on broadband, for your apartment, house, wherever. Okay? And it's really, really good. And Verizon will charge you, give you an example, $30 a month. Okay? With the EBB or program or the affordable connectivity program that I mentioned. Okay, and it's usually it because I called and checked that, and they'll charge you $30 a month, and you get some really, really good broadband and Wi-Fi. Okay, and they give you the modem and all that stuff. So this is just an example of the many things you can get, because everybody deserves at least affordable, if not free, internet to access. Okay. Now, I'll go over it again. As I stated, it's for the initial price for this is $45, and it's yours. Okay, that hub is yours. That little modem is yours. All right, and I've seen other people use this, especially if your livelihood, what you do for a living, is creating content, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. I've seen you can buy one of these for $45. You can literally pay like $40 a month. You can get one of these even if you don't have the program. You can get one of these and pay $40 a month and use that as a backup hub. And what I mean, or a backup internet. And the reason I say that is because I saw one of my favorite podcasters when he had Linux Unplugged show. Okay, a Linux Action Show, and his name is Chris, and he has a company called Jupiter Broadcast, and he has tons of podcasts dealing with Linux. Okay, awesome guy. Okay, and it's something for everybody, experienced or non-experienced. Okay, he has one, I believe it's called Linux Unplugged, which is really popular, pretty cool too. Okay, but basically he used one as a backup, because he had internet and stuff like that, but if his internet went down, he still need to be online or be able to stream certain things up to the internet, so he used his as a backup. Okay, so you can buy, even if you're not with the program, it's gonna cost you more, but you can buy one of these and pay, like, I think it's $30 to $40 a month, and you get a lot more. You get like maybe 35 to 45 gigs of Wi-Fi to use, which is a lot for a month, and you can use that as your modem, or you can use that as your backup. Okay, because sometimes your regular stuff goes out. So if you're one of those content creators that's got 20, say 20,000 subscribers or more, and you do this for a living, that is your livelihood, having one of these as a backup might be a good idea if you can afford it. Okay, and it's called, this item is called LinkZone 2. And as I stated, as I showed you, you get your SIM card, you get the charger, which is USB-C data cable, you get your battery, and your quick start guide. So that's it for this one. And that's what I wanted to show you and give you an example of some of the things out there that you can get with your ACP, or with your ACP program when you're approved, or even with your eBB, okay, emergency broadband program, or the affordable connectivity program. Either one. All right. And as I stated, the power's in your hands. So if you don't like the company that you're with, you can always apply and switch to a different one that suits your needs, or if your needs change. And, all right. And I shall rap to you later. Peace.